Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you how to disable right click button in websites. Like you have visited many websites, there are some images placed on websites. What they do, they actually disable the right click button so that the clients should not be able to save those images. So there are many other ways also. Sometimes they watermark, but disabling the button for saving the image, what they do, they actually do some coding for disabling the right click button through mouse. So in this lecture, I'm going to teach you how you can disable the right click button by using the jQuery. So we create one file, we name it disable right click dot html. Right. Now what we do here, let me increase the font size. So we make it as a bold. All right. So first of all, we have to place the jQuery file that is actually placed inside this JS folder, and we have image is placed inside this img folder. So what we do here is script type is equals to text slash JavaScript, and then src is equals to js slash, we copy this file name, js slash jQuery 1.4.4.min.js. All right. Now we have to do one thing. We have to actually place image. So img src is equals to img slash, the name of the image is used in that jpg. All right. Now let us test this. Okay, image has been actually shown on website. Now once you right click, you can see that you can perform any of the operation, opening image in new tab, and you can save, copy, whatever you can print. But we want to disable this. So how we can do that? So first of all, let us do some coding. A script type is equals to text slash JavaScript. Close this scripting. Now we define a jQuery document dot ready. On ready we call a function. Now what we do here, we call this actually function on this image. Once the image has been clicked, so we bind some event on this. So what we do here, jQuery, we say img dot bind. Now we have to check what kind of a event is sent. So here we define the context menu. This actually is used for a right click option. So when there is we attach event with the image, and the event that is going to be sent is actually is the context menu, that is actually is the triggered on the right click. So when a person is going to right click context, right click mouse button, then the context menu is actually sent, and that would be attached with the image. So we call a function on this, and we say that this should return a false. The default is return true, but here we actually return a false, so that the right click option should be disabled. Now we refresh this, and once we right click, you can see that we are unable to actually see any kind of a menu to actually save this image. Though still we can actually take the screenshot, but this right click button is actually disabled. So this is quite easy lecture, and you can try this with your own images to disable the right click button for the images. Hope you have enjoyed the lecture. Thank you so much.